So, you know you're dealing with depression when you start having deep conversations with your cat. Yep, my cat is now my therapist. He looks at me with those judgmental eyes, and I swear he's thinking, seriously, human? This again? And then there are the days when getting out of bed feels like an impossible mission. I look at the alarm clock and think, could it go to work for me today? Spoiler, it can't. The best part is when someone says, just think positive. Oh, of course. Why didn't I think of that before? I'll just press the happy button in my brain and voila, problem solved. But in the end, we keep going, one day at a time with a dash of humor and, of course, lots of conversations with the cat. Because after all, he's the only one who really understands me.